Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix update server down error in League of Legends. So if you're facing the update server down error in League of Legends, make sure that your time and date is set to the correct one and it is accurate. In order to do that, head to the search panel. From here type settings and click on open. After that, from the left hand side, click on time and language. Then go to date and time. Then make sure that your time zone is set to the perfect one for you. So whichever region your country residing in, the time zone should be from that region. Also, the set time automatically is turned on and the sync now has been pressed, which will sync the correct time for you in the time of the moment. After that, click on exit. After changing your time, you will also need to change your DNS server in order for a more stable connection to connect to the right services. To do that, right click on the network icon from the bottom right hand side of your screen and go to the network and internet settings. After that, go to the Ethernet tab. After that, go to the DNS server assignments menu and click on the edit button. From here, you have to select either the Google DNS or the Open DNS. In order to select the DNS of Google, press 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternative DNS. And for connecting to the Open DNS, click on 1.1.1.1 in the preferred DNS and 1.0.0.1 in the alternative DNS. Then click on save and exit. After that, head to the search panel yet again, then type in command prompt, then click on open. From here type ipconfig/flush DNS, then click enter. Now your DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed and your performance of the network has been optimized. After changing these settings, you will no longer face the unable to connect to the update server in League of Legends and enjoy playing the game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.